Call Anicia. Call Anicia. Call Anicia. Hooked up to fucking data already. Call mom. Here, Mom. What's going on? What's going on? You got the package, right? Everything's fine. Why is it in the storage room? Why ain't she getting it? I know, but she's supposed to come this weekend and pick it up. Huh? As soon as possible is great. What do you mean, who's it from? Me. I sent it. I gave you the text messages and everything. What do you mean, who is it from? No, that's Anisha's gift. That was Anisha's gift. Anisha got her gift from her father. Everything else, I'm sending it because of me. I'm paying for it. Mom, to be honest with you, I tried to discuss that with him and he didn't want to have it. So he yelled at me on the phone. Mom, don't let me not send gifts back to you, Mom. Give it to her. I've already had this discussion between the kids. Kaylee. Who? Anisha? That gift hasn't came yet. I understand where you're coming from on that, Mom. I understand, but I got the money from Daniel. I told Dan I was gonna purchase it. I showed Dan what I was going to purchase. He said fine. He was cool with it. Right? I texted him. But Kaylee's coming to pick hers up this weekend.